Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial covering how to use gadgets in pencil spaces. Today we'll be covering how to use the calculator, periodic table, and the graphing calculator. Let's start by using the calculator. I'm going to move my video layout to the right just for some extra screen real estate. And I can get any participants in my session to collaborate on this PDF with me. If I need to calculate anything at any point, I no longer have to dig around for a calculator or try to open up a calculator on my device. I can simply click the calculator button on the left navigation bar. Just like that, I have access to a calculator in one click. As you can see, I can use these 6 dots to move the calculator around. While I'm moving it and not actively using the calculator, you can see that it becomes a little bit translucent. This allows me to see what's happening behind the calculator. Then I can click on the calculator again to make it opaque and make any calculations that I need. In this case, let's do 14 times 83. Using the calculator can be really helpful for double checking your work. Let's say I want to fill out my answer on this PDF. I can simply move the calculator over to the side, and then I can use the text tool or the formula tool to type in my answer. Just like that, I've used the calculator to answer one of my questions. Moving on, let's learn how to use the other gadgets, including the periodic table and the graphing calculator. To access the periodic table, click the little periodic table button on the left navigation bar. This will open up a periodic table that you can move around and reference at any point. This is really helpful for anyone who is working on chemistry or material science problems. To close any of your gadgets, simply click the X at the top left corner. Next, let's go over the graphing calculator. Below the periodic table at the bottom, you'll see a graphing calculator on the left navigation bar. Once you open it up, you'll have the ability to resize the graphing calculator at the bottom right corner. When you hover over the bottom right and see double-sided arrows, you can click and drag in and out to resize the calculator. The graphing calculator you see in penciled spaces is actually provided by GeoGebra. So if you want to find additional documentation or resources on how to use this graphing calculator, feel free to head over to geogebra.org. Keep in mind that when you open up a gadget in penciled spaces, everyone else in your space will not be able to see the gadget open up on their side. If I open up a calculator, someone else in my session won't be able to see me using that calculator. However, if you're using the graphing calculator, GeoGebra offers some really helpful tools that can allow you to save, download, or screenshot anything that you've created. Just click on the menu icon. You have the option to save, share, export, download, or even print what you've created. Then you can easily upload this to the whiteboard to collaborate on it in real time. That is it for today's basic tutorial on how to use gadgets in pencil spaces. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment them below. We hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.